so we're gonna do a quick review of this, or taste test of this fermented organic superfoods. It's basically a greens powder that is fermented. So check this out. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And yeah, let's do a quick taste test. So there we go. Let's add some water to it. Smells really good, by the way, guys. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes like berries. And it's not that, it doesn't have a strong like greens taste to it. So yeah, check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, we'll see you on the next one.